Hello, and welcome to Nterprisers, the pioneering data and B2B connectivity platform for manufacturing. Nterprisers has a powerful search tool for you to find and research the manufacturers you're looking for. You can search by company name or keywords, set filters, sort your results, and save profiles of companies you want to revisit in the future. I want to search for a manufacturer that does metal fabrication and has experience in the defense supply chain. I can search for keywords like fabrication, press brake, or sheet metal, or I can filter by industry code. Then I can add qualifiers like the word ISO because that quality certification is required by my own customer. I only want to see companies that are close to me in Providence and Washington counties, Rhode Island. I'll filter by companies that have a minimum of 5 employees and the capacity to take on my job. This is great information. I'll save this search to reference in a meeting next week. Let's take a look at one of the companies that came up. This one has a check mark showing the company claimed, verified, and enhanced the data. On the left, we can see additional locations and other information. In the middle is an extensive list of equipment and capabilities. I like what I'm seeing, so I'll save this company for future reference. On the right, there is a starting value estimate for the company generated by Nterprisers' proprietary entry tool, as well as a map. I can quickly send them a message about my specific project or need. Now you're ready to search our platform for manufacturers. Nterprisers has data on every private manufacturer in the region, and is adding more states and more companies every day. So come back to the platform often when you need to search, find, and connect with Nterprisers.